Advocate and social activist Rodrigues has filed a petition against the state government for violating Article 174 of the Indian Constitution, for not having called for a legislative session within 6 months, and thus has sent a notice to the state government to either dissolve or summon the assembly session.
In view of the decision of the Goa government to blatantly violate the provisions of the Indian Constitution, I was today constrained to move the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa, drawing the attention of the Honorable Bombay High Court that the Goa government was blatantly violating Article 174 of the Indian Constitution. The petition has been filed today and mentioned before the Honorable Bench. The Honorable Justices Justice F.M. Reyes and Justice Nutan Sardesai have agreed to hear the matter tomorrow. Now, in this petition, I have drawn the attention of the court that the Goa government was bound to call a session of the Goa Legislative Assembly within 6 months. Now, since the last session of the Goa Legislative Assembly was held on 31st of August 2016, the next session had to be by the 3rd of March 2017. Now, the Goa government has arrogantly decided not to call the session and to violate the Article 174 of the Indian Constitution to power by violating the law. In fact, it is the law department of this government in January this year had pointed out to the Chief Minister that the Goa Legislative Assembly needed to be dissolved as a session is not being called. So the entire report of the law department is before the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has been sitting on that report from January this year and has not taken a decision. So in my petition, I have sought that the Honorable High Court direct the government to either hold the session of the Legislative Assembly as is mandated by Article 174 of the Indian Constitution or to dissolve the Assembly. It is a matter of shame that this government wants to hang on to power hook or by crook. This cannot be allowed.
The Goa Congress has taken the issue a step further, accusing misuse of the state governor's office by the BJP government of India, likening the situation in Goa to that of the Tamil Nadu political crisis.
The constitutional authority who is mandated to protect the constitution is allowing the constitution to be made a fool and a piece of paper at the end of the day. The sanctity of the constitution is being misused and being trampled by the so-called guardians of the constitution. This is danger for democracy. There are rumors and reports that one of the reasons he is not calling Sasigala is because of a pending judgment, which is likely to go against her. I have never and we have never heard आमचे केन्ना इंडियेक आयकूंक ना कितें जावपाचें आहा तेजेर सगळें आडायतात म्हणून कोणाक तरी शपथ दिवचो हें आमी केन्ना आयकूंक ना. फाल्यां गव्हर्नर म्हणटलो की म्हाका खबर आसा की हो पेशंटाक हार्ट प्रॉब्लम आसा फाल्यां मरपाक आसा पूण तूं सर्ट करचो ना तो फाल्यां कितें पडटा. आयची परिस्थिती the constitutional guardian has to look at the position as of today and not apprehend something that is going to happen. If that is so, कशे हे घटनेचे शोक होतात ते आयज दिसून येता. आमची गोवा गव्हर्नर जी आसा ह्या गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान एक कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर आसा जी हायकोर्टान ठरयला की दॅट ही हॅज ग्रॅब लँड केन्ना इंडियेक आयकूंक ना कितें जावपाचें आहा तेजेर सगळें आडायतात म्हणून कोणाक तरी शपथ दिवचो हें आमी केन्ना आयकूंक ना. फाल्यां गव्हर्नर म्हणटलो की म्हाका खबर आसा की हो पेशंटाक हार्ट प्रॉब्लम आसा फाल्यां मरपाक आसा पूण तूं सर्ट करचो ना तो फाल्यां कितें पडटा. आयची परिस्थिती the constitutional guardian has to look at the position as of today and not apprehend something that is going to happen.
With Abhijit Jadhav, Bureau Report, HCI.